All right, so in order to represent the min-max, I've got my apocalypse here, and as I pull down, that is my minimum for my apocalypse. As I pull up, that is my maximum. So minimum, maximum. If I want to land the ball here, I'm only going to adjust for the medium, which is about 1. Just take the shot and get this out of the way. And I really wish they'd give me some crosswind. Okay, a little bit of crosswind here. So I've got the Thor's hammer. First thing I do is I figure out, okay, where am I at? Am I at min? Am I at min or am I at max? Right now, I'm at max. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the Thor's hammer for maximum, which is 1.7. So 3.2, 1.7, be somewhere around there. Then I'm going to miss it and hit it in the trap. Oh, nope, missed the trap, thankfully. Okay, so 3.8, this club here, my sniper, that would be min, this would be max. I want to hit this maximum power. I want to make sure that I'm not in the rough. And 3.8, because I'm hitting at maximum power, see now the trees are in my way, which sucks when you're trying to adjust. So somewhere around there. Of course, you need to put some curl on it because the fro is going to kick it to the left. And then of course I'm missing on the left. But not a bad shot. That's why you can get away with a lot on the sniper. That's why I say the sniper's the best club in the game. So one more with the, oh yeah, here we go. So here's my Nirvana. I've got 4.1 coming across. So if I want the Nirvana, I want to see exactly, and the problem with these rough irons are when you get around the green, you're back here. So you really want to make sure that you know your mins and max. But we'll just see what that wind does to it. I should be close to the rough on the right because the wind pushed me over there. But anyway, that's it. That's the ring method. A lot of it is just practice.